guys, so this is the wig that I will be conditioning and bringing back to life. Um, and I'm gonna show you also how to do that. Typically I don't let my wigs get like this, but I kind of just threw it in my hair bin instead of putting it on the mannequin. I know it looks crazy. Um, yeah, so this is what it looks like. It looks so crazy. I believe this is I purchased this from ISEE hair. So yeah, it's crazy. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm separating the hair a little bit and brushing from ends to the roots to try to detangle. When it comes to restoring your weaves and wigs, the best conditioner that I have found and have been using is silicone mix. You can get it from the beauty supply store, but I got this big one from Amazon. So right here, what I'm doing is soaking the wig in some hot water with the conditioner, just rubbing the conditioner all throughout the wig. Normally, when it comes to conditioning your own hair, you would sit under the dryer. So I'm trying to use the hot water in this case as the dryer, and then what I'll do is I'll rinse the conditioner out with cool water like you would normally do with your own hair. So I do want to mention right here that I did let this wig sit in the water for about an hour. I was doing a couple things around the house, so I figured it was no rush to get the wig out because the way that it looked when I took it out the closet, it needed all the time to soak in conditioner. So after you wash, condition, and everything, right now I'm showing you what it looks like after all of that has been done. The wig is definitely refreshed and revived. So I'm placing my wig on a mannequin so that it can air dry. I do want to mention right here that I did purchase this wig from ISEE Hair. The link to this exact wig will be in the description box. So I do want to add in here that this wig was a full lace wig, and typically you would wear it in that manner, but because when I started wearing wigs I got headaches, and I thought that was a result from using the freeze spray. So I didn't want to just throw out the wig, so I started to wear it in a headband method, and I'll show you guys in a couple of minutes. So right now I'm just sectioning off my hair for the leave out so that I can cornrow the rest. And I wanted this video to be geared towards beginners because I'm definitely a beginner when it comes to wigs and cornrowing my hair. I'm not the greatest at doing that. So I just wanted to show you that you don't have to be perfect when it comes to cornrowing your hair. You just need it flat. You could even do plaits if you wanted to. Just know that the wig cap is going to go over top. So it really doesn't make a difference if you can cornrow like a professional or not. So right here I'm sectioning my hair, no perfect parts or anything. And I honestly was getting very lazy and tired at this time, so I just opted for 3 cornrows. So here's the close-up of my lazy cornrow technique. I promise I could do a better job than this, but honestly, I was just trying to get the job done, and this is a quick and easy hairstyle. So right here, what I'm doing is I took out my cornrows, my leave out on the sides, those 2 cornrows, and what I'm doing is I'm adding water to my hair to give it a little bit of texture and revert it back to its natural state. Because I'm wearing a curly wig, I don't want straight leave out. I want it to look as natural as possible. So right here, I'm just putting some edge control on my edges so that they can be shiny and slick back. I use Mixed Chicks edge control, but you can use any edge control that works best for you. Also right here, what you want to do is put your wig cap on your whole head, including the edges, because you're going to push it back as you see me doing it now, so that your hair can lay back and go in the direction, because you're going to put the wig on top. So once you have the wig on, what you want to do is secure the wig. This wig that I have on now, I'm just securing the combs. So I have one in the back, I have two on the sides, and then one at the top. So what I'm doing right now is just putting the combs, sliding them underneath of the wig cap to secure it, and then you'll see me also use bobby pins to tuck some of the lace and bobby pin it, so that if the wind blows, you won't see any lace, you won't see any of that. It'll look exactly like my hair, like you'll think it's growing from my scalp. The thing that I love about this method most is that you can use any headband of your choice. Also, because where the headband is placed, you won't see where the wig starts and where your leave out is as well. So it gives the illusion that it's all your hair. And that's what I love most about it, because I'm still able to wear the wig even though I'm not able to wear it with the lace front. But it looks more natural this way anyway, and I prefer this route. So you'll see me trying to make sure that the headband is comfortable. Because I have glasses and then the headband is the plastic one, um, you have to make sure that it's comfortable, because you also have like combs in, you have glasses, you have the headband, so you just want to make sure it's comfortable. So I'm just maneuvering it so that it doesn't hurt or give me headaches or anything. So right now I'm just giving you the back view of the wig, how everything looks. It's very natural. You can define your own curls more if that's what you prefer, but I'm pretty much okay with this look. It's really natural. Also, you can do different headbands if you want, the cloth ones, the plastic ones. The one that I'm wearing now is a plastic one just with a cloth covering with pearls on it. I got it from Amazon. I'll link that in the description box below as well. But you definitely can do different hairstyles with this look. You just see me now pretty much playing with it. I love it. I wore this a lot during the summertime too, because I could just wet it and go to work. Very easy, very manageable, just a quick and easy style. So this pretty much concludes this video. I hope this was helpful for you all, showing you guys another way to wear wigs that you may already have. If you guys want to see a video on different headbands with this wig or different hairstyles with it, let me know in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.